Hello all, today in this video I'm going to provide details regarding and demo video for XGboost classifier with the XAI representation uh, with the hard disease dataset. With the same dataset, previously we have worked with some other machine learning algorithms, and in from that we have concluded that random forest and some other algorithm is providing better result. So in this video we will just work with the XGboost, and we will also conclude that among the previous algorithms, machine learning algorithms we had made, which machine learning algorithm is going to provide better results. And also make an priority order. For that, initially we are importing the libraries which are needed, like OS, warnings, uh, NumPy and Pandas, and then we are reading our data set, which is our disease data set, which we have downloaded from Kaggle. And you can just see the data set that it is having different entries. From among this data set, the target variable we are going to choose as the y variable, and all others will be chosen as the x variable. And also we are checking the info of the data set. Mostly you can notice that we are having only integer values and float values, so it is just displayed in the info data set. And also we are checking is there any null values. You can see everything is zero only, so we are just moving to make a x variable and also y variable. Here, since there is no null values, we are just dropping the pre-processing and moving to x variable and y variable declaration. By using this x variable and y variable declaration, and by the use of the library train test split, we are making the x train, x test, y train and y test variable by using the testing size as 0.2. That is, testing percentage will be 20% and the remaining 80% will be taken for training. And since I said, since we are going to make use of their XAI representation, here also we are going to import line representation and line library, and also declaring an variable called explainer, by which we are going to display the XAI representation of the particular machine learning algorithms. And also we are going to display the accuracy score and also the classification report, like precision recall, F1 score and support values. For that we have just made the libraries for them also. And I said that previously with the same data set we have worked with some other algorithms, and we are moving to make a comparison of which algorithm is providing the better results. So previously we have worked with different machine learning algorithms like random forest, with by which random forest is providing 100% accuracy. And next we have worked with SVM. It is providing 75% accuracy. When comparing to SVM and random forest, we can just confirm that random forest is providing better accuracy with this particular data set, and then only SVM. And then we are working with some other machine learning algorithm like naive Bayes. With this naive Bayes, it is having an accuracy of 85. Now the priority level is random forest, naive Bayes, and then SVM. And then we are working with some other machine learning algorithms with this KNN, which is showing an accuracy of 72. For SVM, you may remember that the accuracy is 75, but it is less than SVM. So now the order will be random forest, naive Bayes, support vector mission, and KNN. And then we have made with an another decision machine learning algorithms, which is decision tree, which accuracy is 100%. So now the order will be random forest, decision tree, naive Bayes, support vector mission, and KNN. And then we have also worked with some other machine learning algorithms as logistic regression, which is showing an accuracy of 86%. So which is better than SVM, and also naive Bayes. So now the order will be random forest, decision tree, logistic regression, naive Bayes, support vector mission, KNN. And then we have worked with the final XGboost algorithm, in which we are going to make the description of it in this video. So for that, initially we are making its library, and then we are calling it, and then we are training and testing. And training is done by using the fit function, and the testing is done by using the predict function, and then we are declaring its accuracy score and confusion matrix. Here you can notice that this is the confusion matrix of this XGboost algorithm, and also we are going to display the classification report like precision, recall, F1 score, and support values. From this you can just make that it is also providing better results of 100%. So random forest name base and also this decision tree is sorry the random forest decision tree, and also this XGboost will be made in the top level, and others will just follow its corresponding ways. And then we are going to make the XAI representation of the XGboost classifier. For that we then declare the explainer variable to just call it to display the variables. In the explainer variable, we are made the number of features as 10. So here in the XAI representation, you may notice that it will have nearly 10 features. So if you want some other number of features means you can just change the number of features over here, and then we are made to display over the XAI graph with the feature and the value by choosing the 10 features. And since we have 10 features, the list of 10 features will be displayed over here. So in the next video we will just show some other demo video, and if you are interested in knowing any other videos means please let us know in the comment box. Thank you.